I'm Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. We got a question from @Mohammed Khan 543. It's a big question, but the most important thing that I can get out of this is the high BMI that the wife and husband are suffering from. The weights are heavy. So this is a big issue, and I wanted to discuss the role of weight in infertility, and if IUI can be used as a treatment, how fruitful is it? Excess weight, particularly obesity, which means that the BMI is more than 30, can significantly impact both male and female fertility. This happens by disrupting hormonal balance, ovulation, egg and sperm quality, and implantation potential. The impact of being overweight on female fertility is on hormonal imbalances and irregular ovulation. Excess fat tissue produces estrogen. High estrogen levels can disrupt ovulation by interfering with the brain's regulation of reproductive hormones, which are FSH and LH. This leads to anovulation, which is lack of ovulation, making conception difficult. We also have to talk about PCOS and obesity because they are linked. Overweight women with PCOS experience worsened symptoms. Insulin resistance in PCOS increases androgen levels and it impairs ovulation. There is also the problem of poor egg quality. Obesity is associated with oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage egg quality. And these lower quality eggs are less likely to fertilize and implant successfully. When we look at the other factor, it is the increased risk of miscarriage. Overweight women have a higher miscarriage rate due to poor egg quality and implantation issues. Increased risk of chromosomal abnormalities in embryos and endometrial dysfunction is also a very big issue. Because of the excess weight, the uterine lining, endometrium, becomes less receptive to implantation. Decreased blood flow and inflammation reduces the chance of successful embryo attachment. There is a complication of pregnancy risk also. Overweight women have a higher risk of gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, preterm labor, which can also result in C-section. In men, it reduces the sperm quality because it can lower testosterone levels, increase estrogen levels, and reduce sperm production. Obese men have lower sperm count, motility, and morphology. They also have erectile dysfunction problems because it is linked to vascular tissues and lower testosterone, which contributes to erectile dysfunction, making conception difficult. There could be a damage to DNA as well. Overweight men have a higher rate of sperm DNA fragmentation, reducing embryo quality and increasing the risk of miscarriage. But can IUI help overweight individuals with infertility? This was the question Mohammed was asking to begin with. Yes, IUI can help overweight individuals struggling with infertility. Its effectiveness depends on the underlying cause of infertility and BMI. In overweight women, if you have irregular ovulation, it can be useful because medicines like clomiphene citrate, letrozole are given, which stimulate ovulation, and concentrated sperms are put directly into the uterus, bypassing the cervix. This increases the chances of fertilization. In cases of unexplained infertility also, IUI is a very good treatment option for overweight women with unexplained infertility. Ovulation can be stimulated by increasing medications. Overweight men can also benefit, but if there is a lower sperm count, IUI can be used if motility is very good, because IUI bypasses the cervix and places the sperm closer to the egg. This reduces the distance sperm has to travel and boost fertilization. In erectile dysfunction also, men with obesity or with erectile dysfunction have ejaculation issues. They can benefit from IUI. When is it not useful for overweight individuals? When the ovulation issues or anovulation issues are severe. If overweight women with severe PCOS or anovulation do not respond to medications, IUI may not be successful. In such cases, IVF may be a better option. In severe male factor, if the count is very low, motility is very low, DNA fragmentation is high, IUI is unlikely to work. So IVF is better with ICSI as an option. That's why weight loss is a very important thing. Weight loss can significantly improve chances of ovulation in PCOS women, reduce the risk of gestational diabetes and pregnancy complication, improve endometrial receptivity, and enhance implantation rate. For men, it can improve testosterone levels, improve sperm quality and count, reduce inflammation, and also bring down DNA fragmentation. IVF has a better success rate. IUI success rate for people with more than 30 BMI is 10 to 15% only per cycle in women, and it goes lower with age and higher BMI. So IVF is a better option for individuals that are overweight. 30 to 35% success rate per cycle in women with under 35 age with a healthy BMI is there. For overweight women, IVF success rate drops by 5 to 10%. But IVF with PGT can also give them a good option. So 5 to 10% weight loss before IUI or IVF can boost your success rate. Follow a good diet and nutrition, anti-inflammatory diet, exercise, and supplements can definitely improve your chances of success even if you are overweight. But trying to improve your lifestyle will always help you in your general health and fertility issues. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.